Okay, if let's start with the title understanding. The title says the Narayanpur incidents. What do you think will be there in the chapter? The Narayanpur incident. Anyone? What do you think will be there in the chapter by, hearing or reading this title, the Narayanpur incident? Jatin?
Ma'am, it is an incident which is happening.
Okay, an incident which is happening. Yes, Naman, thank you. Priyanshi, thank you. Okay. Incident which is happening in a place called Narayanpur. Okay, very good. See, by the title, we all know something is happening in a place called Narayanpur. What do you think is happening there? What do you think is actually happening there? Anyone? Priyanshi, do you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in this chapter, there can be that a village named Narayanpur. It has a
Hmm.
very big incidence.
That we have discussed if there is an incident happening in a place called Narayanpur. What incidents do you think? Okay, let's
Ma'am,
find
I
out what.
think that
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
the
Continue.
incidents would be from the rulers.
All right. Yeah, this is something about history. Fine. See, same rules will be followed. We are going to read one paragraph, or if there are small paragraphs, whenever I say you stop, you have to stop. See, there are many movements that form the freedom of India. India become free from British rule from many movements, and one of the most important, according to this, is the Quit Indian movement. This was launched by Mahatma Gandhi at the Bombay session of All India Congress Committee. He asked the Indians in this, movement, do or die, so that we can make British quit India. Fine, this is just the introduction. Let's see what is actually happening. Okay. Tavishi, once you read, please lower your hands. Fine, so that everyone can get a chance. Tavishi, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. The Quit India movement begins. Babu and Manju are the two school going children who suddenly find themselves in the midst of the freedom struggle when their schools abruptly closes down, their father is taken away, and their brother Mohan becomes involved in the movement. They they move to Narayanpur with their mother. Read on to find what happens there.
Now, this is a, see, the main incident I have given you idea that this is this movement, Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi. But this story is about Babu and Manju, who are two school going children like you. They can be in class 6 only, who they are finding that their classes, the school is closed down. Their father and brother is taken away, and they become the part of this movement. So for this movement, they move to the place called Narayanpur, and let's find out that what actually happens there. Navya, read.
Now said Manju, impatiently, tell me where we're going. To watch a procession walk fast. We may be late. What procession? Who procession where?
Now what is happening that Manju said that tell me where we are going. Impatiently means when you cannot wait for something, right? To watch a procession, walk fast. So he says, the other person, maybe Babu says that we are going to watch a procession. So Manju asked, what procession? Whose procession? What do you mean by procession here? The procession means it is a part of a ceremony like a parade. Something like a parade. Fine? Okay. Um, please, Navya has read. Mehak, read.
The college students are taking out a procession from their college to the collector office. Mohan told me we could vote. He said
Ma'am,
it is going to be peaceful.
9:45.
Now, what is happening? Like I told you, it's a kind of a parade or a march. So, a college students, number of college students are going, they taking out a procession. Procession is they are moving towards from their college to the collector's office, demanding something. And it will be peaceful. There will be no violence. So, Mohan said that we can watch this. Lakshay, continue.
Presently, Manju and Babu found a good spot almost opposite of the gate of the collector's office. They had to wait for some time. Soon, policemen appeared all along the road. Some of them walked in front of the students, some by their sides. But the students marched as if the police didn't exist. They walked in complete silence. There were no slogans, no shouts, just the shuffle of feet and low murmur from the watching crowd.
Now, what is happening that Manju and Babu found a spot nearby and they're watching them moving forward. And in this procession, in this, protest, if this is a kind of a protest they are doing, there was no sound, they were not shouting, there were no slogans that they were chanting, they were just peacefully moving. There were policemen who were gathered around them, but they kept moving as if they do not exit. There was only the sound of their moving and a low murmur. Murmur means when you talk slowly among yourself, and that is from the crowd that is watching. Fine. This college students did not make any sound. Shruti, read. In case you have any doubt, please write it in the chat box side by side.
Can I start?
Yes, Shruti.
Babu and Manju looked eagerly for Mohan. Yes, there he was, dressed in white pajamas and a cream colored kurta. His face was expressionless.
Expressionless. Okay, now
Expressionless.
Babu and Manju were there for Mohan. Mohan is a college student and he was dressed in white pajamas and a cream colored kurta, and there was no expressions on his face. He was expressionless, means there was no expression. He was just moving. Priyanshi, read.
Now, the leaders of the procession had reached the barricade gates. A police officer came up to them. There was some conversation between him and the students. The students seemed to be arguing. Then one of them handed him a piece of paper. He took it without glancing at it and nodded.
Now, what happened? They reached the barricade. Barricade means where they are blocked. Obviously, they know somebody is coming in a large number, so they have blocked the glades from entering, and there the police officer came. So the leader who were leading the procession and the policemen had some conversation, and they are appearing to be, arguing. So one of the student gave him a piece of paper, and without even glancing, maybe the policeman already knew what was there on the piece, and he just nodded. Fine. Jatin, continue.
The student turned around and one of them shouted, Mahatma Gandhi ki jai. Jai, the others shouted loudly, and then they briskly marched back the way they had come. It's that all? Asked Manju is disappointment.
That's it. Now,
What?
what is happening? They very quietly move towards the collector office. There were the collector office before. If you see the protest, also the school has, sorry, the police has blocked the passage. The farmers' protest that is going. Similarly, they have blocked the passage to enter the collector's office. They very quietly, without any slogans, without any shouting, without any violence, reach there. They seem to argue with the police. They give him a note. Maybe they ask the policeman to give the note to the collector, and they just move back from where they have come, and just they shouted one thing, Mahatma Gandhi ki jai, and they all shouted back jai. So Manju was disappointed. Why? Because he did not find anything happening. They just came, give a note, and going back. Nikunj can read.
What else did you want? A drama Babu asked scornfully. Nevertheless, he understood her feeling and asked Mohan the same question when he returned home. Why did you go back so quietly? Were you scared of what the police would do? Mohan
No,
seemed
no,
very
no.
pleased.
Okay, okay, okay. We are done with this page. Stop here. Now, what happening? The Manju, she asked, she was very disappointed, right? So she asked, matlab, this is also what Babu says, that what do you else expected? Do you want some drama to be happening like in the movies? So, but he also has the same feeling that, why did they go back so quietly? Why they returned so quietly? And were they scared of the police? No, bache. In the picture, there are college students and some leaders. It does not show that their father and brother, these are his father or brother, or might be he's his brother. He is being taken away. Fine, हो सकता है. It might happen in the more of the story. Let's find out, Tavishi. Any doubt in the first two pages, anyone? There was this carrying a Vande Mataram. Yes, Navya, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, father and the son are also doing quit movement in this.
This is not mentioned anywhere.
Okay, ma'am.
According to the poem, okay, according to the starting, they are being taken away. Let's find out what is actually happening. Right? Let's say we have started the story. In this story, just we have right now Babu and Manju, two school going students. They are watching a procession conducted by Mohan. This is what I also know. I have read the story though, but let's find out. This is what makes the story interesting. You want to know what happened next? If I tell you everything, then you know it. Then there is no curiosity to read the chapter. Fine. Okay. Anyone else? Where are others for reading? Why I am finding the same hands? Shifa, Parinita, Lavina, Siddharth, Nishka, Yashpal. Where are these today? Daksh. Kartik. Now they do not want to read. Fine. Lakshay, read.
Mohan seemed very pleased, scared. We have planned in this way. We knew that they accept they accepted us to protect
Expected.
expected us to
Hmm.
protest against the violent so that they could beat up us. Howl was a way to jail, but we are not prepared to go to jail.
Now, what is happening that Mohan was very pleased to hear these questions. Why? Because they have planned this way that it has to be peaceful. Otherwise, what happen if they become violent? The police will force them and they will drag them. All means drag them away to the jail, and they do not wish to go to the jail yet. Lavina, read.
Okay, ma'am. What was the point then? Babu asked, while Manju listened
Honestly.
earnestly. It's like a declaration of war. We told them, now this is war, and for us, you're the enemy.
Continue.
And what was the paper you gave the policeman? That was a notice we served to the on the collector as a representative of His Majesty's government, asking them to
Hmm.
quiet India or face the consequences.
All right. Now, the children were not able to understand what is the use of going there so quietly. So he told that it is a declaration of war. They are declaring that this is a war and you are the enemy. Now they have not done the violence, but in the future it will turn into violence. And the paper they have given, that was a notice to the collector, as he is representing the British government, that either you quit India peacefully or you have to face the consequences. Any doubt till here, anyone? Lakshi, do you have a doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Shifa, read. Sorry.
Ma'am. Suman and another boy came from Manju and Babu had finished their dinner that night. The boy staggered in with a large newspaper covered parcel in his hands.
Continue, continue.
Here, let me help you, offered Mohan. My room, okay, Amma? No, I think the puja room is better. A light there will look more normal. Right as usual, Amma. The puja room then.
All right. Now what happened, as Suman, there was Suman and other boy that just came after the kids have finished their dinner. There was a large parcel covered with a newspaper in their hands. So Mohan offered to help them, and they were taking this parcel to the Mohan rooms and asking mother if it's all right. So the mother says, no, let's take it to the puja room, a room where my God might be. Fine. So he says, yes, you are right as usual. Okay. So the mother has entered the scene. So that,
Yes, ma'am. The boy went away after a whispered conversation with Suman. Then Suman, Amma, and Mohan went into the small puja room. Babu and Manju started curiously over their shoulder at the mysterious
parcel. It turned out to be a cyclostic
Cyclostyling.
machine.
All right. Now what is happening here? That the boy who was carrying the parcel, he went away with when he have a conversation with Suman. Now Suman, Amma and Mohan, they all went to the puja room and everyone was curious to see what is in the parcel, and it was a machine that, like a photocopy machine that can copy the letters. ठीक है? All right. Who will go next? Roshan,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
continue with.
Babu said Mohan, as they settled down to work, sit in the front room and keep a watch. Give us a warning if anyone seems to be coming to our house. Manju, you sit here in the hall and pass on Babu's warning to us.
Continue.
Amma, Suman, and Mohan got to work at once. Babu sat outside, alert and attentive. He felt a, a, a thickening in his throat. It was beginning. At last, he was doing something.
Now what is
Suddenly,
happening that okay, that's it. Now what is happening that there is a machine that is brought there in their um home that can copy the letters. There is a photocopy type of a machine that can copy letters very quickly. So what did Mohan says that Babu, you sit in the front of the house and just warn us if there's somebody coming towards our in house, and Manju, you sit in the hall so you can convey the message of Babu very quickly. So Amma, Suman and Mohan, they just start working. Babu sat outside being alert and attentive. That now when you're doing something, you know this is an important task that you're doing. There is a thickening in the throat. That means you have some excitement. You are being, when you're suddenly excited and overwhelming. So at last they were doing something. It is the starting of the moment they have entered, they have become the part of this movement now. Any doubt till here? Bache, one more important announcement. Atlantic is not working right now. Fine. If you have seen, Atlantic is not working right now. That's why maybe many of the students are not here. But once it will start working, I'll drop the message in the group that it is working now. Okay, there is some technical issue, so Atlantic is not working right now. Any doubt till here? We have done 3 pages. Now, like Tavishi said, ma'am, Mohan is the brother and he has been taken away. No, he says the father has been taken away and their brother Mohan is involved. Okay, the brother is involved in the moment we have seen he is doing something with the letters and he was a part in the procession also. Fine. The father has been taken away. Now Amma, Suman and Mohan, their brother, are doing something in the movement, being involved in the movement. Fine, Tavishi and Lakshay, your doubts? Three more pages, 2.5 more pages left. I don't think we have much time to complete this page. Fine. That's okay. We'll continue tomorrow. Just read the first 3 pages again and see if you have any doubt. Fine, class? And again, I'm telling your final exams will be most probably like 90% they are happening in the school, 95% they're happening in the school unless the government issues another rule. So please start doing your work. Start revising, start practicing in writing. You do not have the practice to write. I'm showing you the compliance also. The compliance is also not going very good. I don't know what happened to 6th day. I can see a lot of blanks. A lot of blanks. And this is, I can show you from here. You can take screenshots because I'm not sending it now. But this is not a good in a good condition, especially for Dipanshu, Karthik, Kashish, Lavish, Navya, Nitesh, Nitin, Sanvi, Sahil, Tejaswa, Vaibhav, Vashika. But you don't do it, and in annual exams, you come to the school and I'm deducting marks. Your group is opening today at 1:30 for science. You can send your English as well if you wish, or send me on my personal number. In case you have any doubt, you have sent me some work and it is not marked, send me again. Mm. Yes, Roshan, you have. Yes, Jatin, just now. I have not checked it. Lavina, yes, Lavina, yours is also done. Navya, please send me again if you have sent me. Or if you have sent me yesterday, I have not checked it. It might possible. I have not checked it. Fine. Please send me your work. If you have not done something, ask your friends. Everyone will help you. Ujjwal, that date sheet will be given to you, bache. I also do not have the date sheet yet, but most probably from the first week of March, you are having your exams. Maybe February end. Practicals maybe from February end, but yes, March. Take it as March. Any doubt, anyone? Poster designing is left, Shruti, for you. And vocabulary 10. Tanishka says she has sent, but just send me again if you have sent it. Might be I have missed it. But if your theories are offline, the practicals are also offline. So be prepared, start revising. Not this week. This week we'll do this chapter and then we'll left with two more topics. So by 16th, 15th or 16th, we'll be done with the syllabus of English. After this chapter, we are left with only two grammar topics, three grammar topics. Yeah, it will take time. Have you completed the course of any of others syllabus, other subject syllabus? SST completed, okay. What else? But I have the syllabus. Math is also completed, okay. Sanskrit, maths, and social sciences completed. Fine, let's see what happened next. Fine. All right, I hope you're clear with this. You'll send me the work. We'll meet tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Bye,
Take
ma'am.
care of yourself.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.